in Dubai started with an epic adventure, but not for me. Affa and Dulabhai went up in a hot air balloon for her birthday. Just look at those views, subhanallah. Honestly, I don't think I'd have the courage to do that. I'm a total wimp when it comes to heights. While they explored the skies, we explored something just as exciting for Haadiya. The hotel's kids' fun room called Flippers. It was bright, colourful and full of toys, colouring and space for Haadiya just to be a kid. Best part, it was empty for a while, so we had the whole place to ourselves and enjoyed it in peace. Later that evening, we all headed to Mausam in Dubai Mall to celebrate Affa's birthday. It has amazing views of the Burj Khalifa right outside, and if the Dubai Fountain show is on, it's honestly the perfect spot to enjoy both. I mean, just look at that. Perfect photo opportunity, video opportunity, you name it. It's so beautiful to look at. There's no extra price for the view, just ask for a table with it and enjoy. We loved watching the light show on the Burj. It's simple but so pretty. Mausam is an Indian restaurant and we ordered chaat, chicken tikka, kebabs, chops, biryani, chicken tikka masala, the works, and we enjoyed our meal with some great views. My favorite dish was the chicken tikka masala with the rice and with the naan. It was just very comforting after eating lots of chicken and chips throughout the holiday. It was quite hot outside, so eventually we moved indoors under the AC, which was much better. And while everyone was eating the food, Haadiya said she wanted to go see the waterfall inside Dubai Mall, which is right next to it. So I decided to put the Insta360 GO 3S camera on her using the magnet pendant, and it's just captured the cutest view POV. Just her running, laughing and just enjoying herself and being the child that we want her to be. So it's just so beautiful to see her happy, giggling, laughing and enjoying a hot summer holiday in Dubai. After all that running around with Haadiya, we came back to the table just in time for a surprise, a birthday cake for Affa. Such a cute little moment to end a lovely day.